Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making a falafel sandwich. Let's begin by soaking dried chickpeas overnight. You can't use canned chickpeas to make falafel because they get too mushy and have too much water. Now in a food processor, add the chickpeas, cilantro, parsley, onion, garlic, black pepper, salt, cumin, and coriander. Pulse the mixture until it's finely minced, but not pureed. If you need to, you can also scrape the sides of the bowl as needed and keep blending. The mixture is ready when a pressed handful holds its shape and doesn't crumble. Now pour the falafel mixture into a bowl and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes or up to 3 days. Right before frying the falafel, add sesame seeds and baking powder. Mix thoroughly. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out the mix and shape into balls. The uniform size ensures even cooking. And make sure you really press the balls while shaping it so that it's really firm. So let's fry the falafel balls. Make sure the oil is at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit before starting, and fry just a few at a time. And we're done! To make the sandwich, add a layer of Greek salad, some tzatziki, some Turkish sumac onions, a couple of falafel, some more onions, a little salad, a drizzle of tahini, and lots of our Indian mint sauce. This is so good. Till next time, enjoy.